Welcome to a quick demo of the Coaching Assessment and Management tool. This is a free additional tool available for you to use as needed. You can access this tool by clicking on Tools in the sidebar menu. Then Free Tools. Then click Coaching. The purpose of this tool is to assess and manage any individuals that need mentorship or coaching. When you first open the tool, it will be empty until you choose the audience you're coaching. You can choose by stakeholder type, select individuals from your target audience, or choose by groups. Once you've made your selection, click Generate to populate the tool. If someone has been assessed for a metric in another tool, such as the Stakeholder Assessment tool, that value will carry over to other tools. 3 key metrics are gathered in the coaching assessment to generate a risk level. A high risk level indicates more intensive coaching is needed to align the individual with the needs of the project. The 3 metrics are enthusiasm, experience, and availability. There are 2 ways to populate metrics into the tool. One is to manually score them based on your interactions with the individual or group being coached. The second way is to use our built-in survey. You can click Send a Survey at the top to be taken to the survey template for the coaching assessment. Once the 3 metrics are scored, you'll see a coaching plan. The coaching plan gives you detailed recommendations that are customized to that individual's assessment. Click the pencil at the top to edit the plan. The outputs of the coaching tool provide valuable insights into the needs of those being coached. It helps the change management team understand how to best engage with these individuals. And that brings us to the end of this quick demo of the Coaching Assessment and Management tool. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us anytime. We'll be happy to help.